Welcome to Don Chalmers Ford, and here's a look at another one of our vehicles from our great selection. It comes equipped with heated front seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, steering wheel controls, leather interior, split fold-down rear seat, emergency communication system, Sync 3 911 assist, alloy wheels, dual front side impact airbags, rear view camera, Bluetooth smartphone integration, and has less than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Here at Don Chalmers Ford, every vehicle we offer at our dealership in Rio Rancho exceeds our strict standards for quality, reliability, and performance. We have a friendly and accommodating staff, eager to assist you, and our team of experts is ready to dish all you need to know about our available car loans and lease options. Our shoppers feel at ease, worry-free, and extra satisfied with their purchase from us. So come in today and schedule a test drive. We're located at 2500 Rio Rancho Boulevard.